G'day and welcome back to Access All Areas. I'm Michael. This week we're letting you in on a little secret. Our warehouse team is the dream team. Each day begins with a 7 a.m. morning huddle where we review our targets and any special orders for the day and any custom cutting jobs coming through. The early trucks arrive for morning pickups and leave just as quickly. By 8 o'clock, orders are being packed onto the CPH truck, and by 9 o'clock it's driving out our gates on its way to you. The rest of the morning is spent picking and packaging some of the many orders that go through our warehouse each day. A container full of ProFlute sheets. The guys swing into action and get it unloaded so they can be shipped out the same day if needed. After lunch, there are custom cutting orders to do. It takes the guys extra time to cut to your precise dimensions to ensure premium quality result for our custom sheets. The wall saw is fired up into action while the CNC flatbed also begins to hum. Did you know that we can process a whopping 2 metres by 4 metre sheets on our CNC? At the other end of our distribution centre, Paris is busy slitting down the custom 25mm rolls. Our slitter also cuts banner, reflective and magnetic to any custom width that you need. The afternoon trucks continue to collect the goods, and by 4 p.m. it's time to start fulfilling and cross-checking the dispatched orders in the office. We then pack the orders in our company delivery vans, ready for their trips the next day. By 5, the forklifts are still, the hum has faded and the dust begins to settle. We'll be back again tomorrow to do it all again. See you then, and thanks for watching.